1993 SC400 Lexus V8. What we got done on it for you guys, got an X pipe, 2 1/4 intermediate pipe instead of the resonator. We left the rear 2 resonators there and there. They didn't want it too loud and raspy. Then we did a muffler delete there and there into 4-inch. He had factory G37 tips that he got off another car. We put them on for him. They don't look too bad, I don't think. They look nice. I like them. So we did muffler deletes and mid resonator delete and replaced it with an X pipe and left the rear resonators. So it takes out the raspiness a little bit. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Lexus SC400. 1994 SC400 Lexus. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we true dualed it with an X pipe all the way back 2 1/4 into 3-inch tips. Right there and right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, right there. Hope you guys like the sound. We'll let you hear it in a second. 1995 SC400. Really beautiful car. Only got 93,000 miles on it. Got a nice body kit on it. Really beautiful car. Here's what we got done on it. So got 2 factory converters right there and there. Then it had a 3rd converter there, and we didn't like that. So we did 2 high flow cats in its place. And then the customer requested a double X pipe like the Corsa systems come with. Right there and right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, true dual. There and there. Into 4-inch burnt tips. Blue flame tips. Right there and right there. Beautiful. There's the double X pipe. Came out really pretty. I like it. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. If you want the X pipe or the high flow cats, there'll be a link in the description. Also, hopefully for the tips if we can find them. Let you guys see it in a second. Let you guys hear it. There it is. Not doing it because of the throttle button. Feather it. He's got a throttle body issue, guys, so he's gonna take it to a mechanic, get that fixed. But at least you guys can still hear it. If you guys know what's wrong with it, let us know in the comments. Go ahead and back it up. Hope you guys like it. Smells really good though. We gotta do that to your truck.
Huh?
We gotta do that to your truck.
Already did.
Actually, it should get louder with yours. Yours should have got a little bit louder too. Good sound, man. I like it. Those V8s never disappoint. As you can see, not a scratch on it. It's really clean. Sound decibels, go ahead. Wow. Yeah, something to start doing again. I like it. There it is from the side. Beautiful car. I think so.
Is that rear wheel drive?
Yeah. SC400.